Welcome back to ZeroDiabetes Zone, your go-to channel for all things diabetes-friendly. Today, we're diving into an essential topic that many of you have been asking about: protein. How much do we really need when managing diabetes? Let's break it down. Protein is one of the three macronutrients our bodies need to function properly, alongside carbohydrates and fats. It's crucial for building and repairing tissues, making enzymes and hormones, and supporting overall health. But did you know that protein plays a significant role in managing blood sugar levels? When you eat protein, it takes longer to digest, which can help stabilize your blood sugar after meals. Now, the big question: how much protein do you really need? The general guideline for adults is about 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. For someone with diabetes, this amount might vary based on your activity level, age, and overall health. For example, if you weigh 70 kilograms, around 154 pounds, you should aim for about 56 grams of protein per day. However, it's always best to consult with a healthcare provider or a registered dietitian to tailor this to your specific needs. Let's talk about the best sources of protein for managing diabetes. You'll want to focus on lean proteins like chicken, turkey, fish, and plant-based options like beans, lentils, and tofu. Let's talk about the best sources of protein for managing diabetes. You'll want to focus on lean proteins like chicken, turkey, fish, and plant-based options like beans, lentils, and tofu. These not only provide high-quality protein but also come with additional health benefits. And remember, balance is key. Pairing your protein with fiber-rich vegetables and whole grains can help keep your blood sugar levels stable. When you eat, your protein is just as important as how much you eat. Spread your protein intake throughout the day rather than consuming it all at once. This helps keep your blood sugar levels consistent and your energy steady. Aim for 20-30 grams of protein per meal, depending on your individual needs. Let's debunk a couple of myths. First, more protein doesn't always mean better. Eating too much protein can strain your kidneys, especially if you already have kidney issues, a common complication of diabetes. And second, not all protein sources are created equal. Processed meats like bacon and sausages are high in unhealthy fats and sodium, which can negatively impact your heart health. To sum it up, protein is a crucial part of a diabetes-friendly diet, but the key is to find the right balance that works for you. Remember to choose high-quality protein sources, spread your intake throughout the day, and consult with a healthcare provider to personalize your diet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to ZeroDiabetes Zone and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest content. Stay healthy, stay informed, and see you in the next video.